Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into Mazda's newest entry in the SUV market, the all-new Mazda CX-80. It's got style, space, and performance, but is it the ultimate 7-seater for your family? Let's break it all down. Think of the CX-80 as the bigger sibling to the CX-60. While it shares the same platform, engines, and tech, it's longer, more spacious, and crafted to replace the older CX-8. And while it doesn't quite match the size of Mazda's CX-90, it's a smart blend of practicality and elegance, starting at $54,950. The base pure model comes with a G40E petrol engine and all-wheel drive. Features include 18-inch alloy wheels, a 10.25-inch display, and wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Moving up to the touring model at $61,950 adds leather-trimmed seats, heated front seats, and even sunshades for the back. If luxury is your thing, the Azami trim pulls out all the stops with black Napa leather, ventilated seats, driver memory functions, and a surround view monitor. The CX-80's cabin is built for versatility. The second row slides and folds, offering easy access to the third row, great for kids or smaller adults. Plus, ISOFIX points make installing child seats a breeze. Boot space? Decent with all seats up, but fold that third row, and you're ready for those weekend getaways. Mazda offers multiple engine options here, a 3.3L inline-6 petrol or diesel and a plug-in hybrid, PHEV, with a 65 kilometers electric range. Need to tow? The petrol and PHEV handle 2,500 kilograms, while the diesel tops out at 2,000 kilograms. Safety features like autonomous emergency braking and 8 airbags give you peace of mind. While the CX-80 isn't perfect, the ride could be smoother, and the brakes need more finesse. It's a solid choice for those who want a spacious, family-friendly SUV with performance to match. So, what do you think? Could this be your next family car? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.